Beat the heat instantly with the lifelong personal hand fan. Featuring a central metal cooling plate that delivers an instant cooling sensation on contact for quick relief. Just press the power button to start and switch between multiple speed levels for your perfect breeze. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery and delivering strong, consistent airflow, it ensures reliable performance wherever you go. While its compact, easy-to-hold design makes it comfortable for everyday use. Tap the Ice Touch button to activate the cooling function. When on, a blue light indicator will glow. There are 3 speed levels: low, medium, and high for customized airflow. Charge the device using the USB port. While charging, a red indicator light at the back will turn on. Lightweight, portable, and USB rechargeable, it's perfect for travel, work, or daily use. Just power on, hold, and stay instantly refreshed anytime, anywhere.